What's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and 2019 is approaching us extremely fast. And for those of you that are just starting out, if you're a beginner and you haven't really broken through with your online business as of yet, I want to show you guys a plan. In this video today, I want to set out like a 120-day plan for you so that you can actually make affiliate marketing commissions in 2019. We're starting right now. All right, guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here. We're going to jump right into this video, guys. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be setting out a plan, right? A plan that you actually can follow for the next 3 or 4 months to get prepared to have a great 2019 with your affiliate marketing business. So what we're going to do now is we're going to kind of go through the steps, and then we're going to actually walk through all these steps in detail so that you guys can have a leg up on what you need to do over the next few months to get prepared and get ready to cash in on some affiliate commissions. So if you're spanking brand new and you're just new to my channel, my name is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel because we're going to be giving you a lot of tips, strategies, and updates on how to do affiliate marketing and how to make money from home. So affiliate marketing, the overview, right? So all affiliate marketing is you selling a product or a service that's not yours and you're making a commission for it. There's tons of affiliate marketing platforms out there like Amazon, like Best Buy, like Walmart. And if you're watching this video, you're probably more interested in selling digital products online, and that's what we're going to actually be focused on in this video today. So here are the steps, right? So the steps that we're going to be taking is we're going to pick a niche. We're going to pick a product, a high converting product in that niche. We're then going to create a blog, and then we're going to target low competition and long tail keywords. We're going to create articles and videos around those keywords so that we can get traffic, organic traffic from the search engines and from YouTube. And then we're going to promote those blog posts, those videos through backlinks and social signals. So that's the plan. And then we're going to be creating content for the next, 90, 120 days because we're going to have so much content that we're going to need to create due to the keyword research that we're going to do here in a second. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So the first thing we're going to do is pick a niche. I've already just jumped over to Clickbank and I picked us a niche. I've jumped into the health and fitness niche. This is an easy way to kind of give you an example of all the different steps. So I picked the niche. I want to be in the health and fitness niche. And I picked my product already, and I've selected the Lean Belly Breakthrough product. I know that this product is good because the gravity is high on it. It says 92. That means at least 92 affiliates have sold it within the current month. That means it's a high converting product. That means it's a quality product. I can also see that I'm going to get $38 per sale on average. I could get more. And so when I actually look at the product, this is the sales page. I can look at the sales page. I can make sure that I like it and it's, it jives with me as a person. So now I've, picked my niche. I'm in the health and fitness niche and I picked my product. Now you can jump into any niche. It could be woodworking. It could be self-help. It could be beauty. And you would go through the same process. Whatever you're interested in, whatever, is your thing, you pick that niche and then you go over to Clickbank and you find a product that has a high gravity and that you jive with. And if you don't want to use Clickbank, you can use any affiliate marketing, even if it's a physical product like Amazon, whatever that product is, just get your product. The next thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and do some keyword research because what we're going to do in the long run is we're going to create a blog and start creating a lot of content so that we can get organically ranked in the search engines in Google and in YouTube. Because if we get ranked for a lot of different keywords, if people are actually typing in these keywords in Google and in YouTube every single day, and we have a ton of different content out there for all of these little keywords, we're going to be coming up, right? And we're going to be getting traffic to our videos. We're going to get traffic to our blog, which thus is going to get, people to actually read your content, digest your content, and, get to your product. So I've gone to Google Keyword Planner. If you don't know how to get here, you basically just go to the Google search engine, type in Keyword Planner. You are going to have to log in, so you're going to need a Gmail account. So all of these things are very simple to do. But once you log in, you basically just go to Tools up here, and then you would click on Keyword Planner. And I've already gone in and I've typed in like lean belly, because my product is about, lean belly breakthrough. So I typed in lean belly, and I've basically sorted by competition. Okay, so first it was like high competition here, and then I sorted it by low competition so that I can actually see the keywords that people are literally still typing into Google, but there's just not a ton of competition around those keywords. So as you can see, there's a ton of keywords here that have low competition around the root keyword lean belly. So what I would start doing is I would actually start digesting these keywords. You can actually take a piece of paper and a pad and start writing down all the keywords that you think you can start creating content around. And essentially, you want to try to create as much content around the low competition keywords as possible, all of them if they make sense, right? So if we look at some of these, you can see a lot of these low ones have 10 to 100 searches a month. Ideally, we would like to get to searches that are about 1,000 a month, but a lot of these 100 a month searches, if you have enough of them, that still can add up to be a lot of traffic to your website. So let's just see what they have here. It looks like we have lean toned stomach, lean and fat. We got belly fat book. So that's somebody searching an actual book. Lean fat foods. And we can just kind of keep going. Here we have a keyword that is 1,000 searches a month, but it's still low competition. That's fat to lean. Here's one that has lower ab exercises, and that's 10K to 100K searches per month, and it's low competition. So essentially, guys, what you want to do is how to get flat abs, 100 to 1,000, low competition. Lean stomach, 1,000 searches a month. How to get abs, 100K searches a month. You have some that are like 10K, exercise with a flat tummy, exercise with stomach flat. The body fat breakthrough, that's actually a product. So again, guys, you can go through here and I can just scroll. Look at all of these low competition keywords. Like, you will never run out of content to provide for your blogs and for your videos. So essentially, you now are going to want to take a ton of these keywords, write them down, and you can export them in Excel. And then you have all your keywords here, and then you want to start creating your content. But before you create your content, you have to actually create a blog. So if you know how to create a blog, you can just go ahead and create the blog yourself, and bada boom, you got your blog. You're going to need domain hosting and WordPress. Boom, you got your blog. Get a nice theme, right? If you don't want to be bothered with creating the blog yourself, you can actually go over to Fiverr, right? And just get a blog created for you. These people do blogs every single day, and they're cheap and they know what they're doing. So you can see here's a gig that says, I will create a WordPress website and blog creation for $10. I will do a Web 2.0 fresh blog creation and submission for $10. I will do your blog content creation for $20. So tons of gigs in here. You can get a blog done very cheap. And have them do it for you. You can also go over to this website called flippa.com, and you can just purchase a blog that's already created and that already has some content on it that you can just kind of start with. I mean, obviously you're going to be optimizing the blog for the keywords that we already did the research on. But if you go over to like Flippa.com and then you just type in the search bar, you know, whatever your niche is, like lose weight, then it'll come up with different websites that are in that category that you can actually just purchase. So this one I already had looked up earlier. It says easy weight loss, weightlosingtips.com. And then I actually went over to that website. This is what that blog particularly looks like. So this is something like if you just wanted to just start off with something and maybe you have like a shell that's already done, these nice headers here that you can kind of just start optimizing and putting your content in place. But you can see this is a nice, slick, cool website that you can just, you're not starting from scratch, right? And then here was another one that I saw off Flippa.com, and that was $75 too. So this was $75. And these, you know, you can buy these sites really cheap. Here was another one I found. It was called Daily Tips Fitness. You know, really clean. And again, these sites are like, you know, you can buy them for like $100 and they're yours. You know, they'll transfer the domain, set it all up for you. And then at least you kind of have a skeleton that you can go ahead and start, you know, putting in your content. So what have we done? We picked a niche. We picked health and fitness. We picked a high converting product, the lean belly breakthrough. We did all our keyword research. So let's just say we have 100 keywords. Now we have created our blog. Say we went to Fiverr and got a blog created, or we went over to Flippa and we bought a blog. And so what is next? We have to create the content. So what you're going to do now is you're going to want to take those keywords that we have, those 100 keywords, and you want to start creating content like a fiend. So articles, videos, I mean, all of those things you're going to want to create, you know, content around those low competition, long tail keywords so that you can start getting some traffic to your website. Now, if you're a writer, great. If you're an SEO writer, that's even better. But if you're not a writer, you can hop back over to Fiverr and you can actually just get article writing, and you can find a slew of people that will create articles for you, right? Another good reference or website that you can use is this Online Jobs PH. This is a Filipino website in which you can actually find people that will, you know, create articles for you and work full time for you for a very cheap amount. We're talking 40 hours a week just working and churning away content for you. Basically, you would just go to onlinejobs.ph. I already typed in article writers, and then I can search people that are willing to, you know, write articles for me, and then look at the different pricing that, you know, they'll do this service for me. You can see here, this one person, English teacher and article writer, you know, for $291 to $388 per month. You can have a full-time person creating SEO articles for you guys. So, I mean, that's 40 hours a minute. This person has a bachelor's degree, and for like literally under $400, you can always negotiate with these people too. Like, these prices aren't just set, so you can negotiate the price. But essentially, you could have somebody like working for you for full time, you know, for under $400 a month, creating tons of content, just tons of content for your blog and for your videos. Here's another person, researcher, data analyst, WordPress blogger, $388 to $485, 40 hours a week. I got a degree, I got experience, I've done telemarketing, lead generation, blah, blah, blah. You know, you can get these people to work for you, or you can do all this stuff yourself. It just depends on, you know, how much time you have and how, you know, talented you are, your skill set in terms of, you know, like churning out articles. So now that you have like you're creating your content, right? So then as you're creating your content, you're going to want to start promoting your posts that you have on your blog, and you want to start promoting your YouTube videos, because you're going to be posting your videos on YouTube, and then you're also going to like post them on your blog. So it's just going to give more synergy and more traffic for your website. But then you want to start promoting like your blog posts, promoting your videos. Again, you can jump back over to Fiverr and do backlinks. That's just going to give you a lot more SEO juice and get you ranked in the search engines. You can also jump over to a website called conquer.com, conquer.io, or just search it in Google. And basically they have a lot of different SEO type services that you can purchase. As you can see here, if you go down the side, backlinks, social signals, content creation, PBN links, you can get YouTube SEO. So just a lot of different services you can get in order to continue promoting your blog posts and your videos. So, and then what you want to do is you want to try to produce, you know, 1 or 2 pieces of content like every day for the next 90, for the next 120 days. Okay, so like, yes, it's going to be some work involved. Yes, you have to be consistent. Yes, you have to be disciplined. But just imagine, guys, if you start posting content on a day-to-day basis, even if it's just 1 piece of content every single day, you're going to start amassing a lot of traffic. And you're going to get people to your videos. You're going to get people to your blog. And then you're going to start generating sales because you're targeting people that are already searching for these lean belly topics that we've already researched in the Google Keyword Planner. This is a target market, and all you need to do is do the legwork, you know, by picking the product, by getting the blog created, by getting the keywords, and then getting the content created. So that's kind of like the hardest part, getting the content created. And everything else pretty much can be outsourced, and you can actually outsource all the content if that's something that you want to do. Or maybe you do a combination. Maybe you do a combination of some where you outsource some of the articles and you do some of the articles, or you outsource videos and you do the articles, whatever you feel comfortable with. But the point is you need to be consistent. You need to stay on a plan. You need to have a schedule. You need to map out your 100 keywords, and then how do you plan to get those keywords, you know, a post every day, content every day for the next 120 days. So this is John for JohnMcNeil.com, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope all of that made sense. If it did, please like the video. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you want to know more about my #1 recommended marketing system that I use to make money with, go ahead down in the description and click that first link. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.